everyone, I am Ansu from SRG Spoken English Tutorial. I hope you would be fantastic. Today we are going to learn some special phrases which is very useful for English spoken. So I hope you don't would be miss this video. If you want to speak in English, so please watch this video. So are you ready? Let's see our first phrase. Our first phrase is that get rid of. Get rid of. If you want to leave anything for all time. If you want to leave anything for all time, so here you can use that get rid of. Like that, I want to get rid of my bad habits. Okay, I hope you got this. I want to get rid of my bad habits. And the second phrase is that so nice of you. If you stuck any kinds of problems and if anyone help you, so here you can use that so nice of you. Like that, so nice of you because you help of me. Okay, and the third one is that behave yourself. If anyone misbehave with you, so here you can say that behave yourself. Like that, behave yourself because I don't like this kinds of behavior. Okay, and the fourth one is that overtake. Yes, if anyone follow you without tell you, so here you can use that overtake. Like that, why you overtake me? Okay, and the fifth one is that buy one get one free. Yes guys, if you go any shopping malls together, so if you purchase any big things, so with these things you get new things free. So the shopkeeper says that if you purchase these things, so with these things buy one get one free. Here you can use that buy one get one free. And the sixth one is that what the hell. If you don't like the rubbish talk, so here you can use that what the hell. Like that, what the hell are you doing? Okay, and the seventh one is that show off. If you are sad and other person also is sad just only for you, and but you know that how is he, so here you can use that don't show off me because I know that how is you. Okay, here you can use that don't show off me because I know how is your behavior. And the seventh one is that for God's sake. If anyone disturb you and you don't like anyone disturb you, so here you can use that for God's sake. Like that, for God's sake don't disturb me, I don't like anyone disturb me. Okay, and the eighth one is that, and the ninth one is that how mean. Who person always just only think about yourself and just only think about yourself, he just want to every person do which I say. So here you can use that how mean. Like that, how mean you just only think about yourself. And the 10th one is that something is wrong. If anyone is sick any kinds of problem but he don't show our problem, so here you can use that something is wrong. Like that, something is wrong with him, I think we should help him. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. So we will meet our next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day and thanks for watching. Thank you so much.